Several people lost their homes tonight because of a landslide scare in San Francisco. The slide happened this morning and damaged at least 3 buildings. This view shows it happening right at the edge of the remaining trying to determine the safety of the landmass. This is how the landslide looks from the
Olivia, that's not very ladylike.
slammed into at least one people have had to leave their
Silly.
Man escapes unharmed from his burning home marijuana and natural gas. One of the utility service this on Street, investigators say the victim was using the kerosene heater to try to keep warm.
Say hi.
Fire.
Hi.
Smart.
The Red Cross is helping the victim.